Get ready for a hair transformation that will make you feel like royalty. Princess Eugenie's iconic chestnut bob is the ultimate autumn hair inspiration for 2025. As the seasons change, so does our desire for a fresh and fabulous hairdo. And who better to look to for inspiration than the royals themselves? Princess Eugenie, a style icon in her own right, has graced us with a timeless look that's perfect for the cooler months. Back in the early 2000s, she rocked a chic chestnut bob with a unique twist, soft fluffy layers that gave her style an effortless, free-flowing vibe. It was a far cry from the structured geometric bobs we often see, and it's making a comeback this season. But here's where it gets controversial. The soft bob is having a moment, and it's all about embracing natural textures and movement. Take Keira Knightley, for instance. At her recent red carpet appearance for her Netflix film, she debuted a similar look crafted by the talented Luke Hershison. Her caramel locks were styled with soft, bouncy layers, creating an utterly chic and flattering effect. Luke explains, while geometric bobs have their place, the soft bob is incredibly versatile and suits almost everyone. It frames the face beautifully without looking overly styled. When creating this look for Keira, Luke had a specific vision. He wanted to enhance her hair's natural movement, not fight it. We kept the layers soft and feathered the ends, giving her hair a lively, breezy finish. It's all about elegance with a touch of effortless charm. So, how can you achieve this royal-approved soft bob? Luke shares his secrets. The key is to work with your hair's natural waves or curls. Mist our air dry spray through your hair. Then twist and scrunch different sections to bring out the texture. Use a wand to create unpolished, tousled waves, adding extra movement and definition. This season, instead of a structured bob, embrace the undone, airy textures and effortless waves. It's a look that's both elegant and effortlessly cool, perfect for embracing the colder days ahead. And this is the part most people miss. The soft bob is all about enhancing your hair's natural beauty. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your unique style. What do you think? Is the soft bob the ultimate autumn hair trend? Share your thoughts and let's discuss.